All right, here's our setup. We got two DJI ag drones. So custom made trailer. So we can fly two drones at any given time, transport them, do everything from up here. So tie down, we have our coolers and chargers for our batteries, 3 batteries for each drone. Then our setup, so we can put our remotes, our controllers, everything on the table here while we fly and perform our tasks. So that's a quick rundown of the top. We're still trying to get this kind of figured out. We're going to put some drainage up here because this is steel. It does not, just good. It's not going to drip on people below with chemical, but if you have a ton of water up here, like we're washing, it needs to be able to flow somewhere. So we'll probably put 2 drains on each side and then some right here, and that way our electronics don't get water. You know, get a bunch of chemical spill or something. You don't want that getting on the people below, and you don't want it getting on your stuff. So here's our charger. You do need to put zip ties on these because as you can see right here, they will hang over the muffler here, and that is not good because it won't charge if your wires aren't in good shape. So zip tie those, they go up to the charger. And then we have our temporary mixer, just a small pump. It circulates, keeps it agitated, and then we run that up top, as you've seen, and that is how we transport our chemical and fertilizer, whatever it is that we're spraying. And that's pretty much it. We've got a nice shelf up here for my monster, and that's it. It's a brand new trailer. Only had this couple days. We're still trying to work out the kinks, figure out what's going to work best. We're getting there. It's a work in progress. All right, we are ready for transport with the exception of our stairs. It flips up just like that, and we lock it in place. It is locked. We are ready for transport. So it's our double decker. All right, well, that's it for now. Until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.